Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two top-notch mirrorless cameras in the market, the Canon EOS M200 and the Fujifilm X-T5. We'll explore various aspects of these cameras to help you make an informed decision. But before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Both cameras deliver excellent image quality, but they differ in sensor resolution. The Canon EOS M200 features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, which provides great detail and accurate colors. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 boasts a class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5 hours CMOS sensor. Its impressive resolution allows for even more detailed and vibrant images. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS M200 utilizes fast and accurate Dual Pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, ensuring precise focus on your subject. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T5 incorporates advanced autofocus technology to deliver sharp and accurate results, even in challenging situations. If you're into videography, both cameras offer impressive video capabilities. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie recording, allowing you to capture stunning footage. Similarly, the Fujifilm X-T5 provides powerful image-making performance, offering excellent video quality and smooth motion thanks to its high-resolution sensor. The Canon EOS M200 features a 3.0-inch touch panel LCD screen with a 180 degrees tilt option, perfect for taking selfies and vlogs. It also includes built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology, making it easy to transfer images wirelessly. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 retains its classic X series design with dials for quick and easy settings, even when the camera is switched off. It also offers a three-way tilting LCD and powerful in-body image stabilization. That wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS M200 and the Fujifilm X-T5. Both cameras have their distinct advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which camera caught your attention. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.